Are you still spending hours doing work manually? These 5 free AI tools can save you hours every single day, and most people still don't know about them. The first AI tool is ChatGPT, one of the most powerful tools available today for students and professionals. ChatGPT helps you complete tasks faster by generating ideas, writing content, and answering questions instantly. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you want to write a professional leave email, but don't know how to format it properly. You can type a simple instruction like, write a professional email requesting leave for 2 days. ChatGPT immediately creates a well-structured email that sounds professional, and ChatGPT is also very useful for learning new skills. For example, if you want to learn data analytics but don't know where to start, you can ask ChatGPT to create a 30-day study plan. The tool will generate a step-by-step learning schedule, including topics to study each day. This makes learning more organized and removes confusion for beginners. Another powerful feature is summarization. Instead of reading long articles or notes, you can paste text into ChatGPT and ask it to summarize the content in simple words. This is extremely helpful for students preparing for exams or professionals reviewing reports quickly. The next tool is Canva AI. Canva helps you create professional designs and presentations using artificial intelligence. You can simply choose a template, edit the text, and create visuals in minutes without any design experience. This tool is perfect for students, professionals, and content. Grammarly AI. Grammarly helps you improve your writing instantly by correcting grammar, spelling, and sentence structure. It also suggests better words and makes your writing sound more professional and clear. Whether you are writing emails, assignments, or reports, Grammarly ensures your communication looks polished and confident. This tool is especially useful for students and working professionals who write daily. The next tool is Perplexity AI, a smart search engine powered by artificial intelligence. Instead of opening multiple websites, Perplexity gives direct answers along with trusted sources. You can use it for research, learning new skills, or quickly finding information. It saves time by summarizing topics. Powerful free AI tools that can save you hours every day and help you work smarter. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Future Skills AI for more simple AI tools and career growth tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.